What we're going to do is we're going to attach a sliding bolt to our garden gates. What you'll need is your sliding bolt, the screws that come with it, screwdriver and your measure tape. As you can see, I've already prepared the door. I've taken the old one off as it was rusted, and I've filled in the holes where the old screws were, just to make sure that we're not going into the old holes where there's not as much hold on the screw. So here I am going to attach the latch to the upright. The easiest way I find of doing this is to put your bolt across and then place your latch over the top and mark your holes. There you have it, our latch for our garden gate.